Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave. And this is
Geraldo, Nick,
and Dave. Dave? Say hello, Dave.
Hello, Dave.
Very good. Today we are doing day number...
I don't know why you made me say Dave. My name is clearly Lewis.
Today we're doing day number 9 of the Lego City Advent Calendar. Day number 9. 9 out of 24. We are getting so close to Christmas. This is killing me. I hope Santa brings me something good. But between now and then, it's my turn to build something. We'll be right back. All right. So, Dave, you okay over there?
Yep.
You sure?
No, he's not sure. Nobody's
There's
okay.
not anything. I don't think he's okay, but we're going to get this done and then we'll get the doctor to check him out. So, day number 9.
Right
number
down
9.
there.
I can find it. I'm not old like your mother.
You're getting it this time. Throw that one.
I'm getting what? I get to build another car. Yeah. Ooh, I think it's the monster truck. I get to build a monster truck. All right. This should be interesting. Yeah, I can't open the package. I done it. Those look like monster truck wheels to me. Okay, so we got a red one, and I'm guessing the 2 black ones go like this, and the wheels go on those. Is there another piece underneath that, or is it? I guess it's just the blue one goes on top.
I can't see what you're working on.
The blue one's not big enough to... Well, you don't need to see what I'm working on. It's my toy! Okay, I got it now. I got this. So, the blue goes on top of the... The blue goes on the black, which attaches to the red. And then the other blue goes on top of the red. No, that's wrong. How much blue is there?
2 pieces, but you've gotten the bottom wrong.
I have the bottom wrong. You are correct.
The black goes under the red.
Yes.
There are 2 white feet.
Okay. So we'll get this. So this goes here. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now we're getting it. Now we're getting it. See, I didn't need any help. I got this. I got this. Wait, what was I doing?
Not getting any help? That doesn't help.
You're just not helpful at all. I'm going to go ahead and give it some wheels.
0 out of 1 users found this helpful.
And another wheel. And another wheel. Oh, that's not the right way. Try that way.
Yeah, another wheel, and another wheel, and another wheel. Infinite
The
wheels.
wheels on the bus go round it. Wait.
The wheels on the monster truck go somewhere.
All right, so now,
rotate?
yes, they do.
Nice. Wow.
And then that piece goes there. I'm getting this. I'm getting it. And these go here. Yeah. And last but not least, and I have one windshield piece left over. But I got my monster truck.
Hold on. Let me crash it into the ambulance.
Wait a minute. Maybe it's a ramp.
Crash it into the ambulance.
No, run over the ambulance. Anyway, knock down the tree. Monster trucks are destructive, you know. Oh, the monster truck got ate.
Delicious.
Well, so we built a monster truck. Very interesting monster truck. Very colorful monster truck. Check out all those colors. And it does roll. This has been exciting. I got to play with monster truck and Legos all in the same day. Hey, wait.
Hey, it's from the police
Oh, the
car.
handcuffs from the police. I think I should put the other windshield piece right there on top of that. What do you think? Make it a weird truck. It's like if you got two pilots or one pilot. Anyway. All right. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know I am having a ball with these Legos. If my sons will stay awake. College students just can't take it, I'll tell you. But I can tell the excitement for Christmas is building up in them.
Sure, Dad. Sure.
This has been Dave with DIY Dave and Company. And we will see you tomorrow right here. Right here, same place. Be sure, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified anytime we place a new video up. And especially for the next, 12 more days? Is there only 12 more days till Christmas? Is that right? No, surely not. This is day 9. 9 plus, let's see, 10 would be 19. And then 4 more, 5 more. So 15 more days? Is that what we got left? 15?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm good at math. You guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow right here on DIY Dave and Company. See ya. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Very good. And cut.